My beloved learners, today now I like to impart a teaching on transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentences. Transformation of a sentence means changing or converting the word or form of a sentence without changing its meaning or sense. The transformation can be done by the following different methods. First one, changing of words. We can change the form of a sentence by changing patterns by using an infinitive. Two sentences can be combined into one sentence. Means we have to use infinitive. Infinitive means to. Example, the old man is too weak. First sentence. Second sentence, he cannot walk. Those two sentences we have to combine into one sentence. So what to write? The old man is too weak to walk. Too weak to walk. So to walk, that is infinitive. Another example, first sentence, my brother speaks the truth. My brother speaks the truth. Second sentence, he is not afraid of it. He is not afraid of it. Now we have to combine two sentences into one sentence like that. My brother is not afraid to speak the truth. To speak the truth. To is infinitive. Second rule, using coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction like no sooner than. We have to use no sooner than. Now, example, the first sentence, the man saw the tiger. The man saw the tiger. Second sentence, he fainted. He fainted. Those two sentences will be combined into one using the coordinating conjunction no sooner than. How to use no sooner than? No sooner had the man seen the tiger than he fainted. No sooner had the man seen the tiger than he fainted. We can use no sooner had, that means past perfect tense, had seen, or we can use only did. Example, no sooner did the man see the tiger than he fainted. No sooner did the man see the tiger than he fainted. So here did is used. So did is past tense form and see is present tense form. Next one, sentences can be changed by interchanging degrees of comparison. By interchanging degrees of comparison. You might be knowing adjective word may be used in three forms. Those are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Transformation may be done by interchanging degrees of comparison. Example, positive degree. No other girl is as intelligent as Jinal. That is positive degree. As intelligent as Jinal. We have to change positive degree into comparative degree. How? Jinal is more intelligent than any other girl. Jinal is more intelligent than any other girl. So more intelligent is comparative degree. Now we have to change into superlative degree. Jinal is the most intelligent girl. Jinal is the most intelligent girl. So, the most intelligent is used as superlative degree. Now, next rule, interchanging one part of speech for another. Interchanging one part of speech for another. Do you know parts of speech? There are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. But here we can change noun to verb or verb to adjective like this way. So, example, show respect to your parents. Show respect to your parents. Respect is used as noun. Respect, the word, is used as noun. Next one, sentence, respect your parents. Respect your parents. Here, respect is used as verb word. As verb word. Again, third one, be respectful to your parents. Be respectful to your parents. Respectful is used as adjective. Is used as adjective. How to change from noun into verb or vice versa, I shall teach another day. Next one, interchanging of assertive and exclamatory sentence. Interchanging of assertive and exclamatory sentence. Sentence is classified into 4. You might be knowing sentence is classified into 4. They are first one, assertive sentence or declarative sentence. It is also known as statement. It is also known as statement. Next one, imperative sentence. Third one, interrogative sentence. Fourth one, imperative sentence. So, how to interchange the assertive sentence into exclamatory or from exclamatory to assertive sentence, I am teaching. Assertive sentence example, it is very hot today. It is very hot today. Now, we can change the assertive sentence into exclamatory. How hot it is today. How hot it is today. Exclamation sign. So what the rule? Exclamatory sentence is introduced by what and how. WHAT, what and how. Assertive sentence is introduced by very, great, etc. Assertive sentence is introduced by very, great, etc. Now, exclamatory sentence, how sweet the mango is! Exclamation. How sweet the mango is. That is exclamatory sentence. We have to change into assertive sentence. The mango is very sweet. The mango is very sweet. So, interchanging of assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. Now, assertive to interrogative sentence. Example, iron is heavy. Iron is heavy. Now it will be changed into interrogative. Is iron heavy? Question of mark or note of interrogation. Is iron heavy? Next example, assertive sentence. Sunil can swim. Sunil can swim. How to change interrogative? Can Sunil swim? Can Sunil swim? That is question mark. So, you might be knowing to form an interrogative sentence, we have to begin with the verb, be verb or can, may, modals, etc. used in the assertive sentence that will begin the sentence. Okay. Next is interchange of affirmative and negative sentence. we get always affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative sentence to convert. So how to convert from an affirmative sentence to a negative sentence? Affirmative sentence can be turned into negative sentence by putting an opposite word. First one rule I am teaching by putting an opposite word. How? Example, affirmative sentence. Raju is fat. Raju is fat. How to change negative? Raju is not thin. Raju is not thin. So not is negative word and opposite word of fat is thin. Like that, by putting opposite word, we can change an affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Next, by interchanging degree of comparison. Interchanging degree of comparison. How? The example that Gopal is taller than Arpit. Gopal is taller than Arpit. So, what to say? Arpit is not so tall as Gopal. Arpit is not so tall as Gopal. Here the negative sentence not and so and as. Tall is the positive degree, taller is comparative degree. So we have changed. Now next rule, removing two negatives. If in the sentence there are two negative words, we have to remove it. How to remove? Example, Mr. Pal is not fortunate. Mr. Pearl is not unfortunate. So fortunate is the affirmative word, positive word. Unfortunate is negative word. But Mr. Pearl is not negative, unfortunate again negative. So how to do affirmative? Mr. Pearl is fortunate because unfortunate negative and fortunate that is positive word and not is removed and the word also removed. In converting negative into affirmative sentence, we reverse the procedure. What is the procedure? That another one is that interchanging of active voice and passive voice that I shall teach on next week. Thank you.